Okay, and here we are in Rovaniemi, Finland, Arctic Circle. And guess who I have here with me? Santa Claus.
Nice to meet you and welcome to Arctic Circle.
Thank you very much.
And I know that you are a very good man and you make a good work with this new game. It's coming to Finland and already been, I think, about 2 years in Finland.
Exactly.
And I think that now in Lapland they have to know how to use this game and make a good feeling. And you can
Absolutely.
play this in winter time and summertime, inside, outside, and everything is possible. And I hope that next Christmas I can give many this kind of presents to children and also to adults.
Absolutely. So, Pickleball Nation, waiting for next Christmas. Tuomo from Pickleball Finland and Santa Claus, we say.
Yeah, I like this.
Bye bye.